Fifth standard students, so you can see fun with multiplication at page number 178. Look for the pattern and take this forward. Okay, now see here, 0 into 9 plus 1 is equal to 1 because 9 zeros are 0, 0 plus 1 is 1. Then 9 ones are 9, 9 into 11. Then 12 nines are 108, 108 plus 3 is 111. Now next, easily you can see, yes, 4 times 1. 1, 1, 1, 1. Same here, 5 times, 6 times. Okay. Each letter A, B, C here stands for a number. Okay. A, B, C. Triple A multiply by triple A. Okay. So A into A. Suppose that. Okay. हम ये मान रहे हैं केवल. Then at ones place we will put 0. Then A into A, triple A again. Then 100 place, so we will put at ones and tens place we will put 0. A. Now A and A, that means B. A and A, that means third letter. 2 times A, that means second letter. 3 times A, that means third letter. 2 times A, that means second letter in your alphabet, and 1 time A, that means A. Now orally I will explain and you will send on my personal number. I will share some pics, those who are sending the solution, and I am very appreciating those students, those who are sending. They are solving, they are doing hard work, very good. Now if we will take A equal to 1, then what will happen? C. Then find what the numbers B and C will be. So after A, B comes. After 1, 2 comes. So here A equal to 1. So 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0. Then A. So 1, 2A, that means 2 you will write here, and 3 here at place of C, and 2 and 1. So answer will be 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. You will solve and you will send the solution of this question my personal WhatsApp number. Okay. Now see tricks with your age. So write your age. Suppose that my age is 5 years. Okay. Multiply it by 7. Okay. I am assuming the age is 5 years. Multiplied by 7, that means 5 sevens are 35. Again multiply the answer by 13. So multiply by 13. 13 fives are 65. Carry forward 6. 13 ones are 13. 13 and 6. Or you can 3 fives are 15, carry over 1, 3 threes are 9, 9 and 1 10, and 0 and 30, 5, 5, 1. Okay. 13 fives are 65, carry over 6, 13 threes are 39, 39 and 6, 4, 5. Okay. After that, multiply again the answer by 11. So again by 11. 11 fives are 55. 5. 11 fives are 55. 55 60. Carry over 6. 11 fours are 44. 44 and 6. 5005. That means that the answer, my age is 5, so you are getting 5005. Now look at your last answer. Can you find your age? Is that answer? How many times does your age show in the answer? Now try this trick with other people. So you will solve by taking your age and then by father, mother in your family, but you will solve by taking your age first on my personal number. Then I will tell you what you have to do in your CW notebook. Now see on the page number 179, going round and round. Now you will multiply and write here answer, then I will teach you this sum. If you are getting any pattern, so tell me on my personal WhatsApp number. Discuss this with your friends. So you will discuss with me. Now see here. If you will multiply any number, if we will multiply by 1, we will get same answer. 1, 4, 2, 8, 5, 7. Okay. In this way, 2 7s are 14, carry over 1, 2 5s are 10 and 1 11, carry over 1, 2 8s are 16 and 1 17, 7 carry over. In this way, you will multiply. I taught you how you can multiply. Now see here, division. Now we will learn how we do division. Dolma took a loan from a friend to buy a moped for rupees 9,588. She has to pay it back equal amounts every month for 6 months. Okay, every month she is paying equal amount. So how much will she have to pay every month? She asked her children to calculate. Her daughter did it this way. In which way? The amount of loan is 9,588. Okay. So daughter has done in this way. How? See here. 3,000 every month. Equal amount she has to pay. So daughter, what she has done? Equal amount, but daughter has done in this way. Daughter is telling first you will pay 3,000. Okay. Again second also 3,000. These two installments are equal. Third one also equal. But from here not equal. And how much installments is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are 6? No. Okay. So 6 zeros are 0, 6 zeros are 0, 6 5s are 30. Now her son started this way. Now you will complete. Now her son is doing in this way. So the left value is 1,000 into 6, 6,000. So 8, 8, 5, 3. Now 5 6 are 30. So 500. So what we will get? 3,000. And 0. Then again you will start it from here. Plus and plus. But here we are talking about equal installments. Okay, will both of them get the same answer? See here, 500, 500, 500, 1,598. Here also 1,598. Okay. So the conclusion of the answer is every time she will pay 1,598 for 6 months. Because you can see here answer, here also answer. So every time if she will pay this amount, so in 6 months, for 6 months you can calculate your answer. 6 8s are 48, carry over 4, 6 9s are 54, 54 and 4, 58, carry over 5, 6 5s are 30, 30 and 5, 35, carry over 3, 6 1s are 6 and 3 9. So total amount she has taken 9588. So if she will pay 1,500, if you will add this every month, so she will complete the amount. Okay, so now today, but every time it is the, we can't say it is the division process is the standard form. So I will teach you the method of division. Now see, according to the textbook, I am solving practice time. Okay, practice time, first I am solving for you according to the textbook and the proper method, standard method, how we do the division. Now see, in this way, read the number ones, tens, 100,000. 4,228 divided by 4. So what I have done, last digit is 1000. So first I am multiplying by 1000. So 1000 into 4 is 4000. So subtract. The left value is 8, 2 minus 0, 2 minus 0 and 4 minus 0 is now 228. So now 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. Now here is ones, tens, 100. Okay, so you will multiply in that number, so you will get number equal to 228 or less than 228. So 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. That means 4. When you will multiply by 10, because when you will multiply by 100, you immediately you will get the greater number. 100 fours are 400. So you will multiply by tens number. That means 10. 10 fours are 40. 20 fours are 80. 30 into 4, 120. 40 into 4, 160. 50 into 4, 200, and 16 to 4, 240. Greater number you are getting, so you will multiply by 50. So 50 into 4 is 200. So you will write here 200. Okay. Now 8 minus 0, 8, 2 minus 0, 2, 2 minus 2 is 0. Now 28 is left. So here ones, tens, but if you will multiply tens, that means 10. So 10 fours are 40. Immediately you will get greater number. So you will multiply by ones. 1 into 4, 4. 2 into 4, 8. 3 into 4 into, in this way, when you will reach 7. So 7 into 4, that means 4 sevens are 28. So you can see here 28. So 1000 plus 50 plus 7 is 1057. So answer is 1057. Okay. But the standard method, when we take division operation, always we solve in this way. First, 4228, 4228 divided by 4. Extreme left number is 4. That is equal to this number, division. Okay. So 4 ones are 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. Now next number you will bring down. You can see 2. Compare this number to that number. This is smaller. So division is not possible. So division is not possible, so we will put 0 here. Then next number again you will bring down, so you will get 22. Now 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 sixes are 24. 24 is greater than 22, so 4 fives are 20. You will write. Now you can see 2 minus 0 is 2 and 2 minus 2 is 0. Now bring down 8. So 2, 8, 28. 4 sevens are 28. So answer will be 1057. It is the standard method, and in your notebook you will solve this sum by all these sum by this method. Okay, you will not follow this method. Keep this thing in your mind. First sum you will solve in this way, but write tick mark. You can see I have put right tick mark, so you will follow this method. So next sum again we'll solve. Now in the second sum you can see 770 divided by 22. So 770 you will write here, and 22 you can see. Now extreme left number is 7, so division is not possible, so you will proceed here. 77 is greater than 22, so 22 ones are 22, 22 twos are 44, then 3s are 66 and 4s are 88. It is greater than 77, so we'll choose the 3 times. The division will be 3 times. So 22 3s are 66. 7 minus 6 is 1. 7 minus 6 is 1. Then bring down 0, and 22 into 5 you are getting 110. So 35 will be the answer. All sum you will solve by this method. Okay. Rest of the sum you will solve and send on my personal WhatsApp number.